again, will you release me with a kiss?
With a kiss? Oh.
If I tried to draw the veil, if I had, how could I fail? Did I fear the consequence? These by careless words causing my mind.
Come on!
I don't mind, I think so. I will let you know. I don't mind, I think so. I will let you know. And I touch your face, narcotic van Liquido.
Dit is wel gewoon van op een podium te staan, hè?
And I called your name like Kennedy. Took cocaine, cause for the stuff he better play. And I called your name, Michael K.